Welcome, friends, to our channel, Dino World TV. Today, there are many animals in our mud ground, and on one mud side, there is also a small child, and also a horse on which Hulk is sitting. All of them will come out of the mud one by one. So, first, the animals clean the elephant by taking it out of the mud. Elephants have a strong sense of empathy. And the next animal we have is a cow. Let's clear this up. Cows have 4 stomachs for digesting food. Now, we have the next animal, the camel. Let's clear it up. Camels can endure extreme temperatures, thanks to insulated fur and efficient metabolism. Now, we have the next animal, a giraffe, which has a very long neck. Let's clean it out of the mud. Giraffes have unique spotted coats and towering necks for reaching tall branches. The next animal we have is the duck, which swims in water. To clean it, ducks have waterproof feathers and quack sounds to communicate with each other. Now, we take Hulk off this horse and clean it. The Hulk is cleaned. And we have the next animal, the bear. Let's clean it. Bears hibernate in winter, slowing metabolism and conserving energy for survival. So, we take this big horse out of the mud and clean it. The horse is cleaned. Horses have excellent memory and can communicate feelings through facial expressions. Now, we have the next animal, the rhinoceros. Let's clean it up. Rhinos have thick skin but are vulnerable due to poaching threats. The next animal we have is the goose. Let's clean it. Geese are skilled swimmers and divers, adapting to aquatic environments. The last animal we have is the polar bear that lives in the ice. Let's clean it up. Polar bears are excellent swimmers, relying on sea ice for hunting. Thanks, friends, for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye.